Harvard research shows that it can take kids between 8 to 15 tries before they develop a taste for new and unfamiliar foods.
It can take a long time to get a child to enjoy a food. I mean, you can put that in front of them 8, 10, 12, 15 times before there's a breakthrough. So families who don't have the resources to go back to that ingredient, they're minimizing their risk of food waste by buying something that is probably overprocessed and really just fills a taste need, not necessarily a health need.
Simply put, too many children in Canada are growing up without access to a proper food education. That's where we come in. Introducing the Fresh Food Explorers program by HelloFresh.
We're looking to support charities across Canada who want to empower the next generation of adventurous eaters.
From food banks to after-school and local produce programs, we're offering charities funding and support so that kids from lower-income families have access to fresh food.
We've already supported the Farm to Friends program by the West Kootenay Eco Society. During COVID-19, they actually identified the families in greatest need and went in and supported those families.
It's helped our organization by allowing us to increase the size of our program to 84 families a week. It allows more families to eat fresher, healthier, local food.
By opening up the world of food to your children, you're actually opening up the world to them.
By supporting charities across Canada, HelloFresh will empower a generation of kids to experience, experiment with, and learn to love fresh food. Visit hellofresh.ca/freshfoodexplorers to donate, learn more, or apply.